Hello and welcome back guys. So today in this video I'm going to share a very simple strategy by using which I have earned more than 100 pips in euro dollar by risking less than 20 pips. So without any further delay, let's start the video. And if you are new in this channel, do subscribe it and do join our Discord community. It's for free. The link will be given in the description below. So without any further delay, let's start the video. So welcome back guys. So the name of the strategy is a pullback strategy. It only requires a 50-day exponential moving average. No support and resistance zones required. If you are a new or a beginner trader, or if you are struggling for a strategy, you can use it. It is a very efficient strategy. I use it and I'm going to show you some live examples of it also, how efficient it is. So without any delay, let's know how does it work. So let's start. So as you can see in the left hand side of the screen, the rules are written. We're going to check for these rules to find these entries. Note that if you get any of these two entry, you can take the trade. It doesn't require that you have to get this entry only to take the trade. These are only alternatives. If you get entry 1, you can also take the trade. If you get entry 2, you can also take the trade. So first of all, we're going to look for buy trades. So the conditions for buy trade, for getting a buy trade, is the first rule is the price should be above 50-day EMA. Second rule is price should make a new higher high as it has making it here. Third rule is the pullback should be at least of 2 candlesticks. It can be of more, but it should be at least of 2 candlesticks. And the third rule is if we got an engulfing candle, an engulfing candle itself makes a lower high. As you can see right here, it has make a lower high. So we can take a buy trade at the close of this candle from here only. For entry 2, the conditions are same. The price should be above 50-day EMA. It should make a new higher high. The pullback should be of at least 2 candlesticks. But the difference in this case is if the candle before the engulfing candle makes a higher low and after that an engulfing candle comes, the entry will be a valid entry. We can take a buy position from this position from the close of this candle only. So this is for the buy position. The same things will go for the sell position also. So let us look at that also. So guys, for the sell trade, as you can see right here, the conditions are this is a 50-day EMA. The price should be below 50-day EMA. The price should make a new lower low. As you can see right here, it has made. There should be at least 2 candlestick pullback. There can be more, but there should be at least 2 candlestick pullback. The next engulfing candle should make new lower high. As you can see right here, it is making new lower high. Then the entry will be validated and we can take the position from the close, as you can see right here. So this is for the sell trade entry 1. For entry 2, same condition. The price should be below 50-day EMA. It should at least make a 2 candlestick pullback. So in this case, the candlestick before the engulfing candle can make a lower high. As you can see right here, the candlestick before the engulfing candle has make a lower high. It is also validated. So guys, I'm going to repeat this again, that for getting a sell entry, we don't have to get only this entry or this entry. We can get any one of it. This is an alternative for this. We can get any of it. So if we got this entry, we can also take a sell trade. If we got this entry, we can also take a sell entry. So hope you have understood it. So without any delay, let us jump to the live chart and the trade that I have taken based on this strategy. Let us look at that. So guys, we're in the live chart. As you can see right here on euro dollar, you can see right here there are a lot of support and resistance levels, and for this strategy we are not going to need all that. So I'm going to say one thing, that for the initial view of euro dollar, I have a bearish view. You can also see in Discord that I put that I had a bearish view. There are a lot of influence that this pair will go down, but since I got this entry at 1 hour, and one thing also that this strategy can be used in various time frames. You can use it in 30 minutes, you can use it in 4 hours, you can use it in any time frame. So as you can see in euro dollar, we have got this entry on 1 hour. If we move in more clearer chart, as you can see, this is a 1 hour euro dollar chart and we have got our entry right here, as you can see. So let's go through the conditions again. For the first condition, for a buy trade, the price should be above 50-day EMA. The price is above 50-day EMA. The second thing is the price should make a new higher high. As you can see right here, the price is making a new higher high. The third rule is there should be at least 2 candlestick pullback. There is a 2 candlestick pullback. Moreover, there are more than 2 candlestick pullback, it is valid. So number third thing is the entry trigger. As you can see right here, we got our entry trigger right here. It is an engulfing candle, but so now we have to see that the engulfing candle itself is making a lower low, or the candle before the engulfing candle is making a lower low. As you can see right here, the candle before the engulfing candle is making a lower low. This small spinning top candle is making a lower low. As you can see right here, it is making a lower low, so it is a entry 2. So as you can see right here, I have taken this position at the close of this candle. As I have seen this pattern many times, so I can easily predict that after that an engulfing candle is coming. So as you can see, if you have taken this trade after this, you can easily get a risk to reward of 6.38 or something like that. So but for more safe going for new traders and beginner traders, after getting this engulfing candle, you can take the trade from here, from the close of this candle to the next resistance or support zone. I'm going to say that for profit levels we have to watch for support and resistance zones, but for entry we don't have to look for support or resistance zones. So keep that in mind. And for determining stop loss, you can use ATR. It is a very good indicator. So if you have taken this trade from the close of this candle, you can easily see that about a stop loss of 40 pips, you can easily get a risk to reward of 2.55. I have taken this trade from here, so my risk to reward was about 6.38, as you can see right here. So it is not necessary to take an aggressive entry. You can also take it from here. It is very easy. After some time of practicing this strategy, you will understand how did I took this trade. So let's jump to the next trade, that is on USD CHF. Let's see here on USD CHF. As you can see right here, the trade of USD CHF was taken on 4 hour. As I have told you earlier, this strategy works on all time frames. So as you can see right here, this was our entry trigger. So if we go to more clearer charts, as you can see right here, in 4 hour, this engulfing candle was our entry trigger. So let's go through the conditions again. For sell trades, the conditions were the price should be below 50-day EMA. The price is below 50-day EMA. The price should make a new lower low. It has made a new lower low. There should be at least 2 candlestick pullback. If there is a 2 candlestick pullback. And for the entry trigger, for entry 1 and 2, we all know that the engulfing candle can itself make a lower high, or the candle before the engulfing candle can make a lower high. As you can see in this case, this is an entry 1. The engulfing candle has made a lower high. So my trade was from here, from the close of our entry trigger. As you can see, for stop loss of about 50 pips, we have almost earned 84 pips. So it is a very good risk to reward, as you can see, about 1.66. So guys, this is all for this video. Hope you have liked the video and the strategy. This strategy will not take a lot of time, so you can easily backtest it for about 45 minutes. Or if you have any kind of problem regarding this strategy, you can comment down below, and you can also contact me in Discord. As you can see, we have about 70 members here. You can join. It is a free community. You can post your ideas, you can get reviews for your ideas. So hope you guys have liked this video, and do subscribe and like the video if you want to help me. So thank you, see you next time.